दोस्तों आप देख पा रहे हैं दोस्तों, जैसे आप यहाँ पर पावर स्विचेस को दबाए रखने से
as you can see here, it turns on and you get
we get
HD display with long 380 mAh power battery. It is a well finishing touch, and this new product comes with some new features. As you can see, I'm going to scroll up. Sorry for guys, focus out. It's a camera issues, my device. And now let's see these features. Sorry guys, it is out of focus. Now let us talking about old one feature, this which is Android, powered by Android smartwatch. And now guys, an old one watch comes with this accessory, same accessory. As you can see, smartwatch, the plain display and a power button and a charging port, Samsung charging port, and we are going to insert a battery in this one. Guys, as you can, our new product is totally changed, as like view of display, notch, taper display. We are going to start, press power button and hold it. As you can see guys, it is powered by smart power, smart Android. As you can see guys, this is totally changed. This product is totally changed. Okay guys, now guys, we are going to talking about our smartwatch camera. First one, firstly we are going to show you the camera clarity of old one watch, which is Android watch. This is not a very well, but better. And now going to second one is new one of it. And guys, as you can see, this is yep, this is not a well, but it is better than old one. As you can see, it's clear.
Peace.